Lesson number 15, Books and Authors, page number 281, 4th class. Here are some wonderful books and famous stories written by some well-known authors. So match the column. Match the column A, books, column B, authors. A Christmas Carol and Oliver Twist is the name of book. It was written by Charles Dickens. Charles Dickens. Around the world in 80 days and 20,000 leagues under the sea. It's a book. It was written by Jules Verne. The Secret Seven and the Famous Five series. It was written by Enid Blyton. Matilda and the BFG. It's the name of book. It was written by Roald Dahl. Roald Dahl, English poet. Fifth one, Kabuliwala and Once There Was a King. Kabuliwala and Once There Was a King. It was written by Indian poet from West Bengal, Rabindranath Tagore. Sixth one, Treasure Island and Kidnapped. Treasure Island and Kidnapped. It was written by Robert Louis Stevenson, R.L. Stevenson, famous poet. Seventh one, Eidgah and Do Bailon Ki Katha. Eidgah and Do Bailon Ki, Do Bailon Ki Katha. It is Hindi word, so Do Bailon Ki Katha. Munshi Premchand, Indian author. Next, Malgudi Days and Swami, Malgudi Days and Swami and Friends. Malgudi Days and Swami and Friends. It was composed by, it was written by R.K. Narayan, famous Indian author. The Chronicles of Narnia and Out of the Silent Planet. It was written by C.S. Lewis. C.S. Lewis. And 10th one, The Hobbit and the Lord of the Rings. Hobbit and the Lord of the Rings. It was written by J.R.R. Tolkien. J.R.R. Tolkien. And Robbie Dobie and Market Days. It was written by Madhur Jeffrey. And next one, Grandfather's Private Zoo and Ghost Trouble. Grandfather's Private Zoo and Ghost Trouble. It was written by Ruskin Bond. Here there is something. See, Arundhati Roy is the author of the novel The God of Small Things, for which she received the Man Booker Prize in 1997. Man Booker Prize, it's an international prize. It was given to the writers of mainly fictions. The novel has been translated into dozens of languages. 12ಕ್ಕೂ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಭಾಷೆಗಳಿಗೆ ಇದು ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಲಾಗಿದೆ. The name of the book is The God of Small Things, written by Arundhati Roy. Number 16, page number 282. Sports persons. See, there are many sports persons who have given their lives to something bigger than oneself. Identify them and write the correct letters in the circle. The first one, Rafael Nadal. Rafael Nadal, tennis player from Spain. Rafael Nadal. Second one, Maria Sharapova. Maria Sharapova, tennis player, Maria Sharapova from Russia. Third one, Abhinav Bindra from India. Abhinav Bindra, it is shooter, Abhinav Bindra from India. Fourth one, a great football player, Cristiano Ronaldo from Brazil. Cristiano Ronaldo from Brazil. Fifth one, that is Messi. Lionel Andres Messi from Argentina, a very popular football player, Messi. And sixth one, that is a Formula racer. Yes, Sebastian Vettel from Germany, Formula One racer. And seventh one, that is Jeev Milkha Singh, golf player from India. And eighth one, billiards player Jeet Sethi from India. And ninth one, Mary Kom, boxer from India. So these are very popular sports persons of India. See, there is something. Did you know? Often sports stars acquire unique nicknames. The former Indian cricketer Sachin Tendulkar is often referred as God of Cricket or Master Blaster and Tendulkar. So mainly Master Blaster. Usually we used to call Master Blaster Sachin Tendulkar. That's it.